Hello, this is Tober's class. This is Biology, Chapter 30, Lesson 4. Chapter 30, Lesson 4. The integumentary system forms the external coverings of the body. This is what you guys are most concerned with. The skin, the sweat glands, oil glands, hair, and your nails. It protects the deep tissues from injury, and it also synthesizes or makes vitamin D. So when you go out in the sun, you're making vitamin D. It has 3 layers. You need to know it has 3 layers. And the pigment, which is also known as melanin, is in the bottom of the top layer. Okay? What else do you need to know? Integumentary system is, sometimes I say integumentary, sometimes I say integumentary, however you'd like to say it. Potato, potato. So here are the 3 layers: the top layer, the middle layer, and the deep layer. The top layer is the epidermis. That's where the pigment's going to lie. The middle layer is where your glands, oil glands, hair roots, and nerve endings are. This is also where, if you're having issues with acne at this stage in your life, your medication has to penetrate down into at least your sweat gland, your oil glands level of your skin. And that's also why pimples and things that hurt, because when you pop them, it's the oil and the bacteria is all the way down there in the oil and sweat glands there. So it's pretty deep in that the area of the skin. All 3 layers are responsible for maintaining your body temperature. Skeletal system is made of bone, cartilage, and other ligaments. And bone, cartilage, and ligaments. Ligaments are things that connect bone to bone. Ligaments connect bone to bone. It protects and supports your organs, like your brain protects and supports your skull protects and supports your brain. Provides a framework for your muscles. It gives you a place for those muscles to attach. And it's a site for blood cell formation. So this is where you make your white and your red blood cells. This is also a location where you store minerals. Muscular systems composed of muscles and tendons. Allows us to move, manipulation of the environment, facial expressions, maintains our posture. And the number one thing about your muscles is they produce heat. Remember mitochondria. They have lots of mitochondria. Mitochondria are the power plants of your cell. And it's got lots and lots of those. So they have lots of little working factories to make heat. So that is what your muscles help you with. Nervous system is composed of your brain, spinal column, and nerves. It's the fast-acting control system of the body. Responds to stimuli by activating muscles. Cardiovascular system is composed of blood, heart, blood vessels. How do I like to say it? Composed of the heart, the blood vessels. The heart pumps the blood. The blood vessels transport the blood throughout the body. Lymphatic system. Lymphatic system goes everywhere that your circulatory system goes. It's composed of red bone marrow, thymus, spleen, lymph nodes, and lymphatic vessels. It picks up fluids leaked from the blood vessels and returns to the blood. It disposes of debris in the lymphatic stream. It houses the white blood cells, and of course, white blood cells are responsible for our immunity. Respiratory system is composed of the nasal cavity, pharynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. It keeps the blood supplies with oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. Digestive system is composed of the oral cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus, and liver. Breaks down food into absorbable units that enter the blood. Eliminates indigestible food as feces. The urinary system is composed of the kidneys, ureters, the urinary bladder, and the urethra. Eliminates nitrogenous waste. Remember, nitrogenous waste is P, NH4. And it regulates water, electrolyte, and pH balance in your blood. Male reproductive system is composed of the prostate gland, the penis, testes, scrotum, ductus, and deferens. The main function is the production of offspring. Testes produce sperm and the male sex hormone, which is testosterone. The ducts and glands deliver the sperm into the female reproductive tract. Female reproductive system composed of mammary glands, ovaries, uterine tubes, uterus, and a vagina. The main function is the production of offspring. Ovaries produce eggs and the female sex hormone, estrogen. The remaining structures serve as sites for fertilization and the development of the fetus. Mammary glands produce milk to nourish the newborn once the child is born. The integumentary system protects the body from the external environment. The digestive and respiratory system are in contact with the external environment and take in nutrients. This is the end of lesson 4.